Alrighty, we got a 2001 Ford Taurus with the 24 valve VTEC. I had a no start, no run. After I took the PCM thing out and I cleaned it, that connector back there, I had to splice in some new wires here for the O2 sensor. The back one, second downstream one, and I put new. Went to the junkyard and got a new pigtail and cut the old one out. This one was not. It had been spliced and crushed, and it was an alternator issue. Now, when I got all said and done, I had a no start, no crank. All the dash lights come on. Battery's fully charged. Put a new connector on that side of the battery. Still nothing, okay? This is the crank relay, or starter relay, okay? Now, if you look here, this one's always hot. This one's always ground. This one, when you turn the key, it gets hot. This is supposed to be a ground. This has no ground. So what I did was I stuck a little chunk of wire down inside there so it grounds, and now it starts. This one here in the middle, it's just for looks. It doesn't do anything. So here's the relay, and we'll put this baby in there. This guy goes just like that. Well, I guess I should watch where I'm filming. Okay, now that's plugged in. I had a no crank, no start. Oh, hey, take a little piece of PVC pipe when your struts, lift struts go bad. And this is how this works. Let me lift with my head here. You lift this up, slide it down, and now it goes down. Okay. And then when you want to, you bring it all the way up, and it automatically catches for you. So no more buying lift struts, because you can just fix it with a piece of PVC pipe. Metal would probably be better, but all I had was PVC. So let's come around here, and we'll show that we got. Oh, it runs! No funny dash lights. Doors open. Oh, we got check engine light. Let's see what that is. But it runs. All right. Oh, let's see what that is.